welcome back to another video with us at EDU-Tutor. Today we want to look at the cash book, and the videos following this one in the playlist you will see the 2-column cash book and the 3-column cash book. So what is the cash book? The cash book is a type of book of original entry, and remember that our book of original entry are also known as our journals. So the cash book is used to record cash and bank transactions. So once it affects the cash or the bank, it's going to be recorded in the cash book. Now the cash book, it is the only book of original entry or journal that is also a ledger. The cash book, it carries a debit and a credit side. All right, and we use the cash book to represent both the cash and the bank account. Therefore, there's a column for cash and there's a column for bank. Now, in the 2-column cash book, you will see a column for cash and a column for bank. But we also have a 3-column cash book. For your 3-column cash book, it will have a column for cash, a column for bank, and also a column for discount. And those columns will be on both the debit side and the credit side. Now, if you have an item that will increase the amount of cash in the business, it will be on the debit side. So any money received in the business account will be a debit to the cash book. And if you have an item that's going to decrease the amount of cash in the business, then that is going to go on the credit side. So if you're making a payment, it is going on the credit side of the cash book. All right, so let us look at the layout for the cash book. So this is a 2-column cash book. You will have the debit side on your left and the credit side on your right. So on your debit side, you will see that you have your date, your details, folio, cash, bank. That is the debit side. And then on the credit side, you have date, details, folio, bank, and cash. So the item, so on both sides, you will see the cash and the bank column. And that's for the 2-column cash book. All right, and that's what the one that we're looking at in this video. Some key terms that we want you to take note of is contra entry. What is contra entry? A contra entry refers to any transaction that involves only 2 accounts, which are the cash and the bank account. In other words, any entry that affects both the cash and the bank account is called a contra entry. So usually it would be a case like you deposited $100 cash into the bank account. Now that transaction only affects your cash book. So you cannot find it in any other journal. So you refer to it as a contra entry. So C stands for contra entry and indicates that both entries are made in the cash book. All right, so thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed the video.